Guys, before we start, please make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make when checking fuses, relays that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Today will be super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses, relays for Terminal 30 on Volkswagen Tiguan, this generation, first generation here. Guys, please do not waste any money on parts, choose diagnostics until you watch that video. If you have problems with Terminal 30 connectors, ignition switches, anything like that. But guys, after that, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, we'll guys share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out. And you can see guys where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays, all that stuff. Now guys, that generation Volkswagen Tiguan will have many hidden fuses. Fuse boxes, different fuses, mega fuses, relays that are not accessible. That's why guys, we made one special video that's called Volkswagen Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Check it out, it will be on our website. Now guys, we will be making video about every single fuse, every single relay in that car. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located. All you have to do, come to the channel, watch for a minute or two, replace the fuse, you're back on the road. Our mission is to save you money guys. That's why we made more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Oh, and by the way guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, check out, we'll share the links in the description of the video below guys, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. So guys, Terminal 30 fuses and relays, let's explain what you can expect to find them on that first generation Volkswagen Tiguan. We'll open the hood, we'll be working multiple fuse boxes today, but the first thing, let's come inside the vehicle, okay? Let's start with the inside, then we'll come under the hood, we'll check a few more, because on the inside you have a hidden fuse box. Under the steering wheel on the left side, you have hidden fuses, relays, even more relays here in the back. Some models may have more relays up there as well. That's why we made a special video that's called VW Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Check it out, video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. It will be on our YouTube channel. Oh guys, by the way, before we start, let's explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, now let's talk about common mistakes people make. When people see a fuse, okay, let's say they pull a fuse and they try to check it out, okay? They look at that fuse, okay, and they assume, okay, it's good, it's bad, but sometimes you cannot clearly tell if a fuse is good or bad. And you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, you start wasting money on parts, tools, diagnostics, module, and you go to repair shops for something that could have been quite easy fixed, such as a bad fuse. So always test your fuses, quite easy guys. By the way, if you want to see, we have a special video on the channel how to test a fuse, but it's quite simple and often, okay, you can actually even test fuses without removing them to figure out guys, okay, if these fuses are good or bad. For instance, mega fuses, there is no way that you can check if the fuse is good or bad. The only way is to test them guys to find out, okay, if these fuses are good or bad as well. Very important. Now if you want to see how to test a fuse, detailed video how to test a relay, we have special videos about that, and we'll share the information in the description of the video below. And here guys, what we need to check, multiple fuses coming in that fuse box right here. We need to check fuse number 21, the fuse number will be listed under the fuse, and 22, these two fuses. And then we need to check guys fuse number 49, okay, this 20 amp fuse right here, okay. Now we're not done guys. Next we need to come under the hood, facing the engine on the right side, right here. Let us show you, okay. This is a fuse box, okay, open it. You have a cover like this one here. Specifically guys, here we need to check fuse number 5, fuse number 5, fuse number 13 right here, 25 after that, which will be excuse me now, let me see, 25 and 26 right here. Also you will guys need to check these two relays. You have another hidden relay, and that relay guys, okay, is behind the dash in the corner where we showed you. That's the diagram. And here specifically we'll need to check relay number 4, the one on the bottom. Now if you have a 2008 to 2011 year model Tiguan, the engine fuse box will differ. So go ahead, okay, there is very limited information, but check main fuses you can clearly see all the fuses. Just test them, okay, and check all your relays, guys, because sometimes they updated systems during the year, so things may differ. So we recommend, okay, check the fuses we mentioned, but keep an eye on the other fuses and check all the relays since you're already there, to make sure, guys, that it's not a secondary relay causing problem with terminal 30 not to work correctly as well. As you saw, guys, okay, this Volkswagen Tiguan has all kind of different fuses, mega fuses, standard fuses, mini fuses inside the car. You have different relays, mega fuse packs, all that stuff. If you want to see where you can buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out. Our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. We'll have video about every single fuse relay in that car. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.